a shark family. Hello kids! Today we are going to color a shark family together. We'll color our baby shark yellow. I love yellow. How about you? I think the baby shark is so playful. And now, let's make his tongue red. Excellent job! What color is the daddy shark? Blue! That's right! The same color of the sea. Amazing! You are doing a very good job. Now, it's time for the lovely mommy shark. Look at those beautiful eyelashes. What color do you think would be nice for mommy shark? That's right, a beautiful pink. Look at Grandpa Shark. He loves the color green. So, let's color him green. And now, let's color Grandma Shark red. That's right, my favorite color red. Look at her happy eyes. She is so kind. Kids, I love our shark family. How about you? Yay! We did it! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye bye!